a mother deer. It's big. She's pregnant. Two of them. Oh, I think it's a brother and sister. Hello. Hi. How are you? Two of them. We're gonna have a problem in the garden. Oh, there's a baby. One more. Three of them. Maybe you should just open the barn and leave a lot of grasses, and then they're gonna come inside the barn, so we can have a family of deer inside the barn. Wow, three of them. Hello, hi. She's looking at me. Yeah, three of them, one family. Yeah, it's four over there. Yeah, the one is behind the tree, see? Oh my goodness. Family of deer. Yeah, we're gonna keep open the barn, so put a lot of leaves inside the barn. When they go inside the barn, then that's the time we're gonna close. There you go. Hello, hello. Hi. How are you? See, they are not afraid of me. Four of them. Wow. And it's big, oh. Yeah. Four big deers visiting us in our garden, front yard. Yeah, that's a lot of meat. Wow. And there's a rabbit over there running. Two rabbits. We're gonna have a lot of animals in our garden. I'm going there to see if they gonna be run away from me. Hello! Hello! Hi! Become five! Oh my God! Five of them! They are running away! One, two, three. So, three is small, three babies, and I think this is the couple that left here. So, hello! Hi! How are you? I'm Merlinda. How are you, Dari? Don't be scared. Ayan. Ayun sila, oh. Ayan, yan, ayan. Yun, ayun, paalis na. Ayan, paalis na rin yung isa. I think that's the female one. Or, I don't know. Hello! Hi! Don't be scared. I'm a friend. I'm not gonna hurt you. And another one over there. Yeah. Hello! Hi! Come back tomorrow and visit again. Doon talaga pumunta sa sa ginagarden ko. Delikado ang mga ko dito. Delikado ang itatanim ko dito. For sure, mauubos. Ayun, paalis na sila. Punta sa kabilang area naman. Hello! How are you? Yeah, looks like this is the... Hi! Bye-bye! Bye-bye! See you tomorrow again! Bye-bye! Five of them. Naghahanap ng mga masasarap na pagkain siguro tong mga to. And the rabbit are over there. One. That's a rabbit. One. Two. At ayun pa, oh, another two over there. Ayan. Ayan. Naglaro. Hello, Rabbit! Hi, Rabbit! How are you? Ayan, dalawa, 2. Punta tayo dito sa kabila. Tata. Yan. Ayan. Ito yung dalawa. 2. So, 4 of them. Family of rabbit. Wow. Lucky day. 4 rabbit and 5 deer. Yeah. Siguro nasasarapan dito sa sa mga damo dito. Marami kasing parag-is. A lot of parag-is grass here. Parag-is that can cure cancer. Early stage of cancer. Ayan. Parag-is ang kinakain nila. So they eating the parag-is. The other one is still baby. That one is still a small baby. Yeah. That one is a baby, and the next one here. Yeah, see? Keep looking at me. And over there, the 2. That was playing. Wow. Oh, may bayag. So the one is male. So I wonder maybe the other one is female. Yeah. Nagliligawan. So the male courting the female. Now they are beside each other. Oh, the one ran away already. Bye, rabbit! Bye! The rabbit is still small. Oh, the deer! Oh, dear! You come back! Do you wanna be my friend? Are you hungry? Well, I don't know what you wanna eat. If you are hungry, I wish you can talk. Si Rubin. Hi, Rubin! Little Rubin! How are you, little Rubin? The birds, Rubin. Hi, little Rubin! How are you? You come back? Huh? Yeah? Sumasagot siya sa akin. Yeah, little Rubin. What did you have, little Rubin? Do you have a baby? Yeah. Are you gonna go sleep now? Yeah? Okay. So this is the tree that you always sleep? Yeah?